Everdream EDC Z. Filly out of 1,60 m mare Dream Breeder. With Everdream EDC Z, we offer the opportunity to invest in a direct offspring of the international 1,60 m level mare Dream Breeder that competed with Thiago Ribas da Costa successfully. Grand Dam Hebrina has also fought the international 150 level show jumper Ebrina of Marlin Kalbeck. From this direct dam line originate the international 160 level horse Zero Leone of Martin van Hoeven and various 140 and 145 level performers as well. Sire Epleaser van Heike competed at top level and has already produced 1,60 m horses from his first crops, such as Kalinka van de Nachtegaale.